Contact. Hi, we're here today with
Elena Lenz.
Brenna Gwyn Snow.
Okay, and what are you guys selling here today?
The Opry Legacy.
Okay.
It is the first in a series. It is kind of like a cyberpunk meets Game of Thrones meets Dune, character-driven drama in a really messed up society.
Okay, you said first of a series. How many books are you planning?
There's going to be about 6 books.
Okay. So what's next? The miniseries, the HBO special show?
HBO is,
definitely.
you know, we're working on it.
If Showtime came up to you and offered you some more money, would you take it? Or is Showtime kind of like a no? Cinemax.
That's a different kind of show altogether.
I know, right? Well, I know HBO pushes the envelope, but looks good. So how long have you been doing this for?
We debuted at New York Comic Con this past October, and we're here now. Book 2 hopefully will be out by 2016.
Okay. Now, you both the authors of this book?
I wrote. She's promoting.
So you're not the writer. You're more of the publicist in this.
And more the promotions model.
Nice, nice. So how long does it take you to write the book? About
2 years.
2 years. Are you a perfectionist, or is there a point when you say, you know what, I just gotta get this out?
Yeah, I'm kind of like, I create it and I want to get it out there.
Okay. You know, just so you can get to books 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right?
Yes, I promise I won't George R.R. Martin this. It'll come out within a reasonable time.
Understandable. Any website you want to promote? Any,
Free Loirant, free LOIRANT.com.
Okay. And you know what? Tell me a little bit about the book. You know, just like a quick summary for the viewers.
Okay, so the focus is on this character Nathaniel. He's set up in this almost Greek-like tragedy to be this great person, and it's kind of, the world is crumbling around him, and he needs to decide how he's going to really do that.
I got you.
I like to play with toys.